Hello everyone, welcome back to our geometry series. In today's lesson, we are looking at one of the most powerful circle theorem, the angle in a semicircle theorem. Trust me, this one comes up a lot in exams like WAEC, JAMB, IGCSE and SAT. So let's dive right in. Angle in a semicircle theorem states that the angle subtended by a diameter at the circumference of a circle is always a right angle, that is 90 degrees. Let us say this is our circle and this is the center, and this line AB is our diameter. And let us pick a point. Let us say this point is C, and let us join AC and CB. AC and CB. And the theorem says that this angle is always 90 degrees. Let us prove the theorem. Let us draw a circle and let us say our center is O. Let us draw a line AB, that is diameter of the circle, that pass through the center O. AB, and let us pick a point on the circumference and let us label the point C. Join AC and CB. Angle AOB equal to 180 degrees because angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Angle AOB equal to 180 degrees. This our angle is 180. By the angle at the center theorem, the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So we can say that angle AOB, this angle, equal to 2 multiplied by angle ACB. So we can say 2 angle ACB equal to angle AOB. But our angle AOB equal to 180 degrees. Let us substitute 180 degrees into this equation. 2 angle ACB equal to 180 degrees. Divide both sides by 2 over 2 over 2. Here 1, here 1. Here 1, here 90 degrees. So angle ACB equal to 90 degrees. Let us consider this example. AB is the diameter of a circle. C is a point on the circumference. If angle CAB equal to 32 degrees, find angle CBA. Let us represent the given information diagrammatically. Let us draw our circle. Let us say this line AB, which is our diameter. Let us pick one point here, which is point C. Let us join AC and CB together. And it is given to us in the question that angle CAB is 32. That means this point is 32 degrees. By angle in a semicircle theorem, we can say angle ACB is 90 degrees. Angle ACB equal to 90 degrees. If you consider this triangle ACB, and the sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degrees, so we can say angle CAB plus angle ACB plus angle CBA equal to 180 degrees. Let us substitute this and this into this equation. So 32 degrees plus 90 degrees plus angle CBA equal to 180 degrees. So if we bring 32 degrees and 90 degrees to our right hand side, the positive sign will change to negative. So angle CBA equal to 180 degrees minus 32 degrees minus 90 degrees. Our angle CBA equal to 58 degrees. That's our answer. Our practice questions. So to wrap up, the angle in a semicircle is always 90 degrees. That means any triangle drawn in a semicircle is always right angled. In the next video, we continue with more circle theorems. So make sure you check our playlist link below. And don't forget to watch the previous video if you miss it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss the next circle theorem lesson.